Hello everyone, welcome back to 3D Print and Paint Studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how manually to recover your 3D prints after power outage. As we know, some 3D printers, they have resume option, which means as soon as electricity will be connected back, you can continue your 3D print without losing. As it happened 2 days ago with blackout in Spain. As soon as electricity was connected back, I didn't see any resume option on the screen of the printer. After searching in official website, I've realized that my 3D printer doesn't have power loss recovery. So it forced me to look for a simple method to continue my 3D print without losing hours of job. So stay with me till end of the video and I will show you a logical and simple method how to recover your 3D print after power outage.
Welcome to 3D Print and Paint Studio, where creativity meets technology. Discover the magic of 3D printing and bring your favorite characters to life. From stunning glow-in-the-dark designs to intricately painted masterpieces, every print tells a story. Whether it's epic busts, articulated dragons, or unique DIY creations, we push the limits of imagination and technology. Join us for time-lapses, tutorials, and unforgettable 3D printing adventures. Don't miss out, subscribe now to the 3D Print and Paint Studio.
First step, let's measure the height of 3D printed object. In my case, it's around 64.5 millimeters. Now let's open the Gcode and we will search for Z64.4 or Z64.5. Here we have found Z64.4. So this is the layer which we should continue our 3D print. Let's remove all the lines before till waiting for extruder temperature. The nozzle is extruding filament without moving axis, which means we have modified the Gcode incorrectly. I think the print won't start without detecting home. So let's modify Gcode again and we will keep home in the Gcode. And the main issue here is that if we run home, it will have contact with our 3D printed object. So the solution will be removing PEI bed before running home. Save the Gcode and let's run it back. Congratulations! As we see, it continued with the 3D print exactly from the layer which it has been stopped. Definitely we will have a layer shift, which we can solve it with sanding after the 3D print. So as a simple method, we were able to save hours of job just with modifying the G-code. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment.